to my channel. My name is Nadia, if you already don't know, but if you're returning, thank you, love you so much. So I'm so excited. It's about that time of the year. It's fall. So today I'm going to share with you guys some decorating that I'm doing for the fall season, and we're going to focus on the living room. I'm also going to bake, and we're going to share that muffin with you guys. If this looks interesting, come on, let's get comfortable. And per usual, go ahead and get your coffee or your tea or your water, whatever you like, and let's get this thing going. Okay, so before we start the video, I want to kind of talk about a concept that I'm thinking about. And every year is a chance for us to grow and be better, right? Fall is a wonderful time, so is winter, but you know, are you ready for winter? That's the question I ask myself, and I'm asking you guys. I want to read the word of the month, or let's just say word of the season for me, and that is pruning. We've all heard about there's seasons for everything in life, right? We've heard about that. But the word that I'm thinking about today and that I want to share with you guys is pruning. So let's go ahead and read the definition of pruning. Pruning. Pruning is to trim a tree, shrub, or brush by cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially to increase fruitfulness and growth. And so I want to use that analogy or symbolic way of saying that I'm the fruit, you're the fruit, and what do you have to cut out your life? What do you have to get rid of? What dead branches in your life do you need so you can be fruitful and growth? So that's what pruning is about. Anytime you have a plant, sometimes you have to get rid of the dead plants or the plants that are not doing good so it can do better. And so that's what I'm working on this season in my life. There's a lot of things I feel like I could do better, that I can prune and cut out, you know. And I don't want to be too open, but, you know, there's things about me that I don't like that I feel like I can change. One thing is I have a little bit of worry. Sometimes I worry too much or I overthink too much, and I feel like that is something that I need to prune in my life. There's also another example when it comes to music. I don't know if you guys listen to ratchet music, but I do. And I started thinking to myself, why am I listening to this ratchet music? When I say ratchet, I'm talking about vulgar rap music that curses, talks about all kinds of crazy things. And I'm realizing, like, I don't need to listen to that kind of music. So that's like little things that I'm trying to work on and prune out of my life. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the decoration, and then we can get into the kitchen and make this, it's gonna be a pumpkin muffin streusel. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. We're gonna go in the kitchen and we'll go ahead and make that. I'm also making squash spaghetti tonight, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to film that. So I'll show that to you guys in another day. Oh, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this in there. This is the eyeshadow that I'm wearing. Sunset Appreciation. And if you guys want me, I'm gonna go ahead and get close to this camera. If you guys want me to show you guys how I did my makeup in the next video, I'll let you know. Okay. Let me know and I'll do the video. All right, that's it. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the first box. Oh, this is my little Halloween thing, so we're not gonna care about that. More Halloween stuff. Okay, so this is gonna go in the front door. This I put in the same spot, which is over here. Oh lordy, look at this cute little truck. I don't remember where we put this, but okay. This goes where the TV goes, over there. So we'll get that there. All right, and here goes a cute little pumpkin. I don't remember where this stuff goes. So we will work with it. And then a cute little pumpkin. Pretty basic. All right, box one, done with. Let's get this Halloween stuff back in here. Couch. And this is my pumpkin. Alright. I don't want to use this year. I mean, maybe I'll use it. Let's see. I'll use it until I buy something else, so we'll go ahead and keep this. Ooh. Hello, darling. How are you? You doing good? Oh! Okay. This goes on the dining room table. I know, this goes on the coffee table. And I got a whole bunch of pumpkins that go over by the TV. Show you guys this, but it's another one and another one. More pumpkins. Okay, so I got this cute pillow that I'm gonna add. Throw that on the couch. Oh no, we don't have enough fall decorations. Okay. That's pretty much it. I guess we keep it pretty simple. I feel like something's missing, but we'll figure that out later. All right. I will see you guys on the living room.
Hey you guys, I am just realizing I really don't have that much fall stuff. And I guess it's okay. I'm happy. I like it. We have a couple of pillows, and you saw the little centerpiece and little knickknacks here and there. And sometimes that's all you really need. It's just a couple little items here and there just to change the mood, and it's good enough, and we're really happy with it. So that's the centerpiece, and that's how I made it together. And quick little note, my husband made this coffee table, so it's even really sweet that he made that for us.
Okay, you guys, let's see what this tastes like.
I'm about to be extra. Warning.
Oh, this looks so good. This is so good!
That squash was so good. I was going to record me making the squash, but it was going to just take too much time in the video. So yeah, I just wanted to show you about that. I might make a video next time. And I am gonna make a video, a separate video for me baking this muffin. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. All right, if you guys made it to the end, I want to let you know, thank you so much for watching this. I hope this video was enjoyable. I hope you liked it. I hope I inspired you guys, and if you guys have any ideas or any things that you do for the holidays, let me know. I am planning to decorate my dining room table. I have decoration for that, but I want to change it up and do something different. So if you have any suggestions on that, that would be nice. If there's any suggestions of any fall things that you would like me to bake and maybe make a video about it, that would be nice too. Anyways, I hope you guys subscribe if you like it. Go ahead and like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Love you. Bye.